How to delete your Sephora account. Hey everybody, if you'd also like to delete your Sephora account, you may follow up these steps. So log in into your Sephora website, visit the website, and once you are there, find your username in the dashboard and tap on it. This one right here. After you tap on it from the given options, you may scroll down until you find an option called account settings and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be taken to your account settings. Wait for that page to load up on your screen. And then once you find it up, you may scroll down for the given option and you should be finding a section of account ownership. You may also find that option on your screen, and once you find it up, click on the close account option right beside your account ownership and tap on it. And once you tap on close account, you can read the terms and conditions before doing so. After that, you can tap on this option, check mark it, that you understand that you are losing above the perks of using a beauty insider. After that, tap on close account and confirm it. And when you do so, your account will be deleted. You will need to acknowledge some terms, and you can also request account closure by emailing at Sephora's email address. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to delete your Sephora account, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.